Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Nonna Pina Sicilian Cucina. Nonna Pina, can you smile today? All right, big smile. So today we're gonna make with this dough here. This dough is basic pizza dough. What's in the dough, ma?
Dobbiamo fare i VotaVota siciliane.
I know we're making VotaVota Siciliane, but what's in the dough? How did you make the dough?
Giusto yeast, flour, salt, a little bit oil.
A little bit of oil. Okay, so we'll do a video on how you make dough for this. So what we're making is VotaVota Paganese, actually, not Siciliane, because they're from the region of Pachino, which is in the province of Syracuse. So this is a very traditional regional dish called VotaVota. The reason it's called VotaVota, you'll see when this is made. Voda means to turn, so there'll be a couple of turns. This is similar to a calzone or a panzerotti or a Spanish empanada, which in Sicilian, empanade. So the ingredients today for the first one we're going to make is going to be ricotta, and Nonna Pina has done a video on ricotta. You're going to put onion, okay? So these have been caramelized, these have been fried and caramelized. Some black pepper and some oil. So Nonna Pina, go ahead and let's see the first version of VotaVota with ricotta and onion. Okay, so great job, Nonna Pina. You've left some room on the outside. Wait 1 second, Nonna Pina. Let me explain to the beautiful people here what we're doing. You've left some nice room on the outside rim, so you didn't totally cover the outer rim, because now we're going to do the volta, the first turn. Go ahead, Nonna Pina. So it's a turn about halfway with a crimp. So that's the first volta. Oh, and there's the second volta. Like a blanket. Crimp it. So those are your two voltas to make the VotaVota, and you're pricking it with a fork. And you're pricking it there nice so that it doesn't open up and explode. And that's for the air, right, Nonna Pina?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Nonna Pina, you're making the third version of VotaVota. What are you putting?
Potato.
Potato? So wait, let's talk here. We have to talk about this, Nonna Pina. This is important. These potatoes look kind of red. What did you do to here?
They fry.
You fried them, you cut them, you fried them, but why do they look red?
A little bit of sauce.
Sauce?
Yeah.
Your homemade tomato sauce?
Yeah.
So we should do an episode on your homemade tomato sauce. So you fried them. When they were fried, you added some sauce just to coat them.
Yeah, no, not too
Did
fried.
you put anything else in there?
No.
Just potato and a little bit of sauce at the end.
That's it. Yeah.
And then you have the sausages that we made the other day.
Yeah.
The homemade sausages that we made. Perfect. You're going to put sausage. What else?
Cipolla.
The onions, fried onions, caramelized. Yeah.
Salt.
Pepper.
And oil.
And oil. But what about the crushed peppers? You're going to put those? Okay, so you're taking off the casing of the sausage that we made. Vai, ma. Okay, Nonna Pina, so those are the 3 variations of VotaVota. What are you going to do now before you put them in the oven?
A little bit olio.
Why?
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 I don't know.
Okay, that's so that it has a nice golden brown type of texture, type of look. So how long in the oven, Nonna Pina, typically? How long?
Maybe 1 hour and 35 minutes.
35 minutes, 40 minutes. So you want it to look golden brown. Do you put it on the bottom, then you put it on the top? How do you do it? You start on the bottom?
Yeah.
And then when the bottom gets a more brown, you put them on the top?
Maybe.
Maybe. But basically it has to look golden brown. Don't burn the bottom. How hot is the oven? How hot? How hot's the oven?
375.
375. Okay, here we go. Do I hear 400? Do I hear 400? Beauty. Okay, we'll see when you come back. Wow, Nonna Pina. Let's see this here. Bring it here. Way to go, Nonna Pina. They look great. They look like VotaVota. Great job. Great job. Nonna Pina, say bye.
Bye.